How's it going? Jim here. Back with the continuation of the 1949 F3 Long Bed Express. The front grille support for the fenders, upper and lower, and inner fender. Basically, it's a continuation of repairing the old botched and rusted. It's really bad. So this is my inner strap, or inner fender support. These holes are drilled out because that was welded to the inside of the grill. Now this one goes, basically it goes just like this. This would be the bottom side or the back side of the inner grill. So there is a lot missing on this. I've had some of this stuff right here on the vise made, but I had these all bent up out of 14 gauge hot rolled steel press brake. Basically I have them all made about 48 inches long, 4-footers. They're 3 inches wide with a 1-inch flange left and right on both sides made. This is a great idea. I made a whole bunch of these. What should I say? I had them made. Because this is an inexpensive way. I think the whole lot, I believe I got like 10 of them made. I think it was only like 60 bucks. So, basically, 2 things accomplished by doing this. I got an abundance of them for making lower rocker panel channels. Because if you look at it, I'm going to show you, this is basically an L and an L, 3 inches wide. My intentions were to make these for frame rails, because on an early moped, that's what they look like. That's what I had made these, but I went to a different route. So these are still good for a lot of other vehicles and projects. This is the way to go. Get a whole bunch of these made. Therefore, look at this. It's the same dimension. Basically, all I'm doing is adding a little bit of this extra to this. So I cut a piece 19 inches. Basically add 2 inches on each side of this wing, because you have to cut down and then fold this out, drill a new hole, and then reattach it to the lower and inner of the grill. It pertains to any vehicle, any vintage vehicle. This is the same. You can use this stuff from early 1900s all the way up to early 80s cars, because I did the same thing to an 82 Pontiac. The entire floor channel is exactly the same shape. So I make a whole bunch of these up, or have them press braked in different lengths, and there you go. So that's why I'm rambling on. So this is an original Ford piece with the factory holes in it where the inner fender bolts to. One here on the top and one on the bottom. And then you also have one attaching bolt that goes to the lower apron on the fender of a 49 truck. And then the rest of it's missing, which is about 2.5 inches on here, left and right. So that's all right there. Measure this. It's 1.25 inches from end to end. Draw a straight line. Rip it down there. I can bag 2 pieces out of one of these channels. And I still have a 3/4 inch strip. A 3/4 inch strip of 19-inch 14 gauge steel that I can save for some other project, or patches, or little biscuits. And you never throw waste. I never waste anything. So there you go. That's a little tidbit information to fixing inner and outer channels of any vehicle. Have a good day.